Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm new to this business and today I'm gonna make the first ever video. As your eyes might have already stuck to this neck piece. This beautiful neck piece is made by myself and this video is going to be all about that. And I have used all the waste material which was lying in my home, and this oxidized pieces which are stuck in this are the broken pieces of my old choker which I was not using at all. So if you want to know how I made this, do check the video out.
Okay, so here I am using this buckram piece, some broken jewelry pieces, some seashells, some decorative items which was lying in my home, some stones, fevicol, scissor, some ghungru. Okay, so here I am using this ribbon shaped buckram. ये अलग अलग वेराइटीज़ में भी अवेलेबल होते हैं लोकल स्टोर में, तो आपको जो भी मिले आप वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Here I am using this because anyhow I had to chop it in ribbon shape, so why to waste my time? And also these are available in different sizes. So what I'm doing here is I'm sticking and doubling this ribbon to make it thicker. Okay, so now here I'm chopping this piece according to the length which I want. You can measure the length as per your neck size and chop it accordingly. This is the final piece which we'll be having. I'm also chopping it lengthwise to reduce the width. आप अपने हिसाब से इसकी length increase और decrease कर सकते हैं. Now what I'll do is I'll use this resham thread to wrap around. You can use any thread you are having or any color you want. These threads are available for a very cheap price. You can find it anywhere in your local store, and there are lots of colors available. Now I have opened the thread and joined the ends to make it thicker. Now I am applying fevicol to this buckram piece. After applying fevicol, start wrapping around the thread like this and continue to do it until it is wrapped till the end. Guys, it can be a little messy to do at first, but once you get the hands on, it will be easier for you to. After wrapping 2 to 3 layers of the thread, the final piece would look like this. Now I was having this choker which I was not using at all, so I broke it into pieces and now I'll be using these pieces. You can use any item which you are having, because at the end it depends on your creativity, how you are making the best out of waste. I'll be sticking the pieces like this. Here what I'm doing is I'll stick the pieces and at the same time I'll sew also, just to increase the shelf life of the choker. You can do either of it as per your choice. तो गाइस अगर आपको स्टिचिंग नहीं आती है तो डरने की कोई बात नहीं है, क्योंकि मेरे को भी नहीं आती है, बट आई एम जस्ट डूइंग अ ट्रायल एंड एरर मेथड। यहाँ बस आपको एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है कि आप स्टिच करने के लिए सेम कलर का थ्रेड यूज़ करें, ताकि उसमें अगर कोई एरर है या कोई वॉर्न आउट्स हैं तो दे वोंट बी विजिबल। तो सारे पीसेस स्टिच करने के बाद हमारा चोकर कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा। नाउ इट्स टाइम टू स्टिक द सी शेल्स। इनको भी मैं पहले फेविकॉल से स्टिक करूँगी और बाद में थ्रेड से स्यू करूँगी। इस तरह से हम सारे सी शेल्स को इस चोकर पे स्टिक कर देंगे। Now from the same broken choker I was having these coins which I am sticking in the way shown. And guys, ये वीडियो एक दिन में शूट नहीं हुआ है. It took me around a week to complete this choker. And after attaching these coins I attached some ghungroos, but the clip of it got deleted and I'm very sorry for that. But it's very easy to do it. You can easily attach it in the same way you attach these coins. Once everything is done, you just need to attach a piece of cloth or a ribbon like this to tie it from the back. I was not having a ribbon, so I chopped the piece of cloth and attached it. You can also use a ribbon like this.
It is ready, you guys.